Hello students. Self-evaluation is an important aspect of effective learning. In the previous years, we were writing so many semester examinations, unit test, and finally we are preparing for the annual examination. But this year, due to this pandemic, we have to find out some alternative for evaluation. So in this video I am uploading a sample question paper from the first chapter of history, that is the first war of Indian independence 1857. The last year you wrote board examination. The pattern of the question paper for the board examination of class 9th will be followed this year. In the question paper of class 9th board examination, you might have noticed that there are two types of question. In history and civics, there are two types of questions, short questions as well as structured questions. In the short questions from civics part, there are 10 short questions, each carries 1 mark. Then from the history part, there are also 10 short questions, but that question carries 2 marks. So for the short question from history and civics, there are 30 marks coming. The remaining questions are from civics and history are structured question. A structured question carries 10 mark. The structured question will be divided into 3 or 4 sub question. From the civics part, there are 3 structured questions, and out of this 3, 2 you have to attend. From history, there will have 5 structured question, and out of this 5, 3 you have to attend. In this model test paper, the unit test of first chapter, there is 5 short question and 1 structured question. The first part, the 5 short questions. The first question is, what is subsidiary alliance? Name 2 Indian states brought under the British control using the subsidiary alliance. Remember, this question is of 2 mark. When you are writing the answer, you have to write 2 points. The first point is the definition of subsidiary alliance. It is for 1 mark, and remaining 1 mark will be given for writing 2 Indian states which brought under the British control by using subsidiary alliance. Second question, mention any 2 consequences of the annexation of Awadh. From the question it is clear, you have to write 2 consequences of the annexation of Awadh. Each point carries 1 mark, so total mark is 2. The third question, explain the term doctrine of lapse and name 2 states annexed by the British using doctrine of lapse. The first part of the question, explanation for the term doctrine of lapse, 1 mark will be there. Then second part, when you are writing 2 states which were annexed by the British using doctrine of lapse, another 1 mark will be given. Fourth question, state any 2 announcements which adversely affected the Mughal dynasty in India. 2 mark question, 2 announcements you have to write, then you will get 2 mark. Then Fifth question. What was the immediate cause of the first war of independence? Remember, you can write the answer in one sentence, but this question is for 2 marks. So you have to write, you have to explain the immediate cause of the first war of independence, then only you will get 2 marks. So in this pattern, you have to write the answer in the home examinations and the board examination. Then second part of the question, there is one structured question. Normally a structured question is coming. It is starting with a statement. Here the statement with reference to the causes of the first war of Indian independence. From that statement, you can understand that from which part of the textbook, which chapter it is, this topic is given. So here the first the structured question is related to the causes of the first war of Indian independence. So related to the causes, 3 sub questions are there. The first sub question, what were the socio-religious causes of the first war of independence? It is a 3 mark question, so you have to write 3 points. We have studied 7 or 8 socio-religious causes of the first war of independence. Any 3 you have to write. Remember, you have to write the heading first, then explain in 1 or 2 sentences. These sentences can be, you can write the sentences in your own words. It should be related to that point. So when you are writing 3 points, you will get 3 marks. The second sub question is, what were the economic causes of the first war of Indian independence? That question also carries 3 marks. Around 6-7 points economic causes we studied. 3 points you have to write, explain with 1 or 2 sentences simply, then you will get 3 marks. The last question, what were the military causes of the first war of independence? It is a 4 mark question. Many points we have studied. Any 4 points you have to write, then explain in your own words. So in this way you can write the answer. In the coming videos, the sample test papers will be there. You have to solve it. After writing the examination, upload the mark in the comment box. If you have any doubts, any queries are there, you can get clarified through my YouTube channel. Thank you.